Hello, welcome to the historial of the World War I. We are currently in Peronne, which is a town of the Somme department situated 150 kilometers north of Paris. This town endured a lot of losses between 1914 and 1918, hence the presence of this museum. This museum was built 20 years ago next to an ancient medieval castle. It suffered many barbaric acts since the Middle Ages. This museum refers to the risks committed during World War I. It's composed of 5 rooms, with 4 which deal with the different steps of the war in England, France and Germany. The last room that you will see is a room without any chronology, namely because in this room there are pieces of earth. This has been made by some artists during and after the war in order to illustrate and denounce the horror of the battle.
First, move to the room number 1. This room is about the situation of Europe before the war, with the representation of the enemy in each country. We also can find some caricatures, propaganda posters, and artist works. Moreover, it traces the chronology of the July crisis.
Now, still to the second room. This room was built to show the reconstitution of the soldiers' uniform from 1914 to 1916. Then, you can see the details of the uniform of the German, English and French armies. Each detail of the uniform and object used by the soldier are explained. There are drawings and maps which are also to your disposition in the room. It's for giving more explanation about the Battle of the Somme and its proceedings.
After visiting room 2, you are in room 3. In this room there are 2 main activities. One of them is the commentary, which tells the beginning of the battle, of the war conditions and the living conditions and the number of victims. This video is about 30 minutes long. Besides, there are testimonies which are adapted to this report. You can also see and hear some images and sentences by the soldiers. After seeing the documentary, you are in the room 3, which is the main room. Here there are some screens, photos and maps which explain the evolution of the battle for the different countries with their positions and their advances.
Afterwards, on your right, you can access to room 4. This room tells the memories of the war and the development of the remembrance tourism. Indeed, the war has marked the population, so there was a movement in France to remember and commemorate the people who died in the war with monuments and tombs. Furthermore, there is also the visit of the battlefields.
To conclude, you can find before you leave the museum, between the room 3 and 4, a space where the works of Otto Dix about the war are displayed. He was a painter of the 20th century and had even participated to the war. He was traumatized, that's why he started to draw and paint several pieces of art which refer to the war.
The historial of Peronne is a good start before visiting other places in relation with the Battle of the Somme. It's the end of this visit. Thank you for listening to us. We hope that our advices were good enough for you. Thank you.